Here's the 60-second script. Ever read a nutrition label and wonder exactly what percentage of that compound is actually the element you care about? That's percent composition, and it matters in chemistry, medicine, and food science every single day. Our free percent composition calculator makes this instant. Just enter your chemical formula, and it breaks down the exact percentage of each element by mass. Let's try it. Type in glucose, C820, hit calculate. Instantly you see carbon is 40%, hydrogen is 6.7, and oxygen is 53.3%. No periodic table hunting, no manual math, no mistakes. It works for any compound, simple or complex. Students use it for homework, chemists use it for lab work. It even shows you the step-by-step calculations so you actually understand the math behind the answer. Try it free right now using the link below. Your next chemistry problem just got a whole lot easier. Word count 148.